Welcome again today. Today we are going to draw a rainbow.
A rainbow?
Yeah, a rainbow in the sky, in the cloud. Alright, so are you ready to draw? Good. What's the first letter of rainbow? R. Good. Yeah, R. R is for rainbow. Wow, are you excited to draw today?
Yeah.
Alright, our friends in the house, please take your paper, take your pencil, take your colors and draw along with us. Okay, let's go. Alright, so first what we are going to do to make it easy, we draw a straight line like this. First, draw a straight line. Okay, so good. From the middle, make 2 points. Make 2 points from the middle here. Not too wide, close to each other. Alright, then you draw a curve to join the 2 points. Then make another one, a short one, not too much, and join it again. And then you make another one and join it again. And you make another 2 points and you curve and join again. You make another one and then you join the 2 again. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 3 more to go. Make another point and you join them again. Then you make another one, the 6th one, and you join them again. Then the 7th one, you make another point here. Okay, you draw the extend the line. If yours is here, make another point and you join them again. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, what do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, count. No, don't count this one. Start from here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, good. That's the 7 colors of the rainbow. Alright, so now you know the rainbow is in the cloud.
Cloud.
Yeah, so let's make a cloud shape.
Come on the cloud.
Yeah, let's make some cloud shape. The cloud has a funny shape. The cloud does not have a particular shape, so make a shape anyhow you are happy to do it. Yeah. Good. It's okay, join them. Don't make them go down too much. Alright, it's fine. Can you also make it on top here as well? Can see how Daddy did this one. Not too big, just a little bit. Yeah, just don't go too much up. It's fine. Good. Awesome. Wow, so now we are going to color it. Okay. Sometimes it's also blue. Alright, so let's color. Which color are we going to give the rainbow first? Blue?
We have to do.
Alright, so let's start with blue color. This is awesome. Wow, Summer, you're able to draw and color the rainbow. Wow, this is so fine. Do you love your rainbow?
Yeah.
Wow, this is awesome. And it's smiling, has a smiley face. Can you give it a love? Can you give it a love somewhere? Let's give it a love somewhere at the top here. I'm just going to use the pink.
I have to use the pink too.
Yeah, use the pink and give it a love. If you want to shade it, you can color it as well. After drawing it. Wow. Please friends, if you love our rainbow, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. We are sending this love to you. Yeah. Well, you need to love science. That's wonderful. What's the first letter of rainbow?
R.
Good. R. R for rainbow. So, can you write the R? R for rainbow. You can write it somewhere at the top here. Write it at the top here. R for rainbow. Wow. R for rainbow. This is awesome. Thank you. So now we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining us and drawing along with us. I hope you loved the video. Please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Summer, what do you say?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.